Alright guys, so today's tip is about switch. So let's take this example here for instance. If I have two variables and I want to check what those variables are so I can execute some code, one of the best things I can do is use the switch statement. And if I come from other programming languages, what I might do here is I'll switch first on the name, and then I'm gonna be switching again, but this time on the age. And in case it is something that I want, for instance, the age and the name there, then for instance I can simply print here that this code is correct. And just a matter of completion here, if those cases are not met, then I simply break and nothing happens. This is fine, this is valid code, but in Swift, there is a way for you to write less code and express the same thing. And that is because the switch statement in Swift can accept tuples. What does that mean? That means that instead of switching on the name first and then switching on the age, I can do it in one step by switching on the name and the age at the same time. This would allow me to not use this internal switch anymore and have instead a switch, only one switch that already covers all the cases. That saves you time by making you write less code and making your code a little more correct. So I hope this tip helps you guys, and thank you.